Hello everybody. I had put some sunflower seeds out and I noticed the male cardinal feeding the female cardinal seeds beak to beak, and that is a mating ritual, which means they're going to be nesting soon. So I took this old suet feeder, and last fall I saved my milkweed floss. And this is extremely soft and insulating for the birds. Milkweed is a great plant, not just because monarch butterflies will lay their eggs on it and they need that plant to survive, but the birds use the, I call it floss, from inside the seed pod. They'll even tear at milkweed stems that are standing in the spring, because when you kind of pull on them a little bit, this silkiness is in the stem as well. So plant native, definitely plant milkweed, and save the floss for the birds. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.